Some of the hottest narratives in crypto right now are AI, DeepLink, and gaming. If you combine all three into one project, you might have something that the crypto market is eager to buy and to get into. I bring a project to you called DeepLink, and one of my colleagues, Fire Hustle, she's an advisor on DeepLink, and she reached out to me and asked me, what I thought about the project and if I would do a video on it. And I wanted to go ahead and at least show my audience what they're doing, why this could be special, and they have a pre-sale that's going on right now that's open to everybody. Thought you'd like to know about it. So I'd like to go through all this information with you, show you kind of what they're trying to do, what they're offering, who's working there, all their partnerships, all of that good stuff, and let you make the decision if it's something that you'd be interested in. So if we were on the DeepLink global Twitter account here, they have 101,000 followers. And as you can see, DeepLink protocol equals decentralized AI cloud gaming protocol. DeepLink software equals Web3 Team Viewer plus Cloud 3A gaming platform. A lot of information here. And as you can see, they have a phase 4 of their live sales right now, and they've already raised several $1 million from their previous sales. And I'm going to show you kind of what the price is on that in just a second. Let me go into, they have a great pitch deck here. This is actually a little bit easier to show you than going through the white paper. The white paper is extremely complicated and I don't want to put you to sleep. So let's start kind of where the growth is happening in this area of crypto and gaming in the global market. So cloud gaming is the next big innovation in gaming, right? So global cloud gaming is 6,330. So this is like 6.5 billion, right? Should have just put that, but this number looks a little bit sexier than 6.5 billion. All good. And so you can see the growth here from 2019 to 2024. Can you imagine what this is going to be 2 years from now or 5 years from now? It's going to be pretty insane. And it says cloud gaming is the next big innovation, and it has cloud gaming industry today. So this is what it looks like. So you have your Xboxes, you have your PlayStations, right? NVIDIA, GeForce, and then this is B2B, and then the B2C is your Polystream, Orion, GameStream, and Facebook, and some others. And key features of cloud gaming: traditional gaming versus cloud gaming. So here's traditional gaming side and your cloud gaming side. And so, traditional gaming, you have expensive gaming machine, CD install. Users need storage space, requires buying and dedicated gaming machine. When you're talking about cloud gaming, which is hopefully here the future, you have only a low-end monitor, live streaming, no storage space is required, and play on mobile phones, tablets, and web browsers. So people want a game, but not everybody can afford to game. And I think what they're trying to do here is solve that problem, right? Being able to, play some of the top tier video games that maybe you need all of this other stuff to play, but you might be able to do it on a lower tier machine because you can stream it. Advantages of high-tech cloud gaming. So we got ultra smooth gaming experience, low latency, up to 8K depending on what you're playing, multiple device compatibility, so maybe different across different platforms, and then low cost, high quality. With the advancement of 5G technology and the improvements of cloud infrastructure, users experience high quality games at lower costs. Cloud gaming is becoming more and more popular. And then it says current challenges of the cloud gaming industry, and it talks about, high cost, low return. Don't really need to get into that too much. Legal barriers. A global expansion would allow for cost benefit to prevent business roadblocks. And then what is the solution? The solution here is they're saying is DeepLink protocol. The perfect cloud gaming experience. They are partnered. Some of the employees that are working for DeepLink have come from these companies: Cisco, Intel, NVIDIA, Huawei. Never say that right, okay? Don't hold me to that. DeepLink core team has over 10 years experience in cloud gaming industry. They're also part of NVIDIA's early partner program. 1 millisecond low latency, like I said, 8K, 244 megahertz or ultra high refresh rate, and then 24 hours service team. So someone's going to be there if you have some issues. Core scheduling algorithm, server elastic expansion, edge center node scheduling algorithm, intelligent queuing algorithm, utilizing big data algorithms to determine optimal streaming configurations for each user. So it looks like every user is going to get their own kind of, maybe this is the best thing that you need to be doing, and stream it to you. It sounds pretty cool. How the protocol works: remote gaming pathway, image rendering, picture compression, game status update, users input processing, and then over here you have the video streaming, game screen, decoding and playback, host and console. And so what is the Web3 of all this, right? So you have blockchain miner. Miners provide GPU devices for cloud gaming services. You also have cloud gaming platform. The cloud gaming service platform connects GPU providers and miners to users looking to rent GPU power, which is really cool. This is a really big narrative in crypto right now. There's not enough GPU power out there. So being able to rent or loan GPU power to computers that are not using or people that are not using those computers, really a revolutionary step in where we're trying to take this. And it talks about cloud gaming and blockchain miner and how all of this connects here. And then the future of decentralized cloud gaming, traditional centralized cloud gaming platform. This is basically what you're looking at from the traditional side, which is higher cost of setup to hardware, difficult to generate income, limited coverage stunts global expansion, and limited resources cause gameplay stability issues, versus blockchain based, which is no upfront hardware cost, easily monetized, flexible miner and user infrastructure, and resource flexibility and infinite scalability. This is why they like it. And then why choose blockchain? Because you can do staking, decentralization, accessibility, faster ROI, no borders, and there's a ton of incentives. And then it says DeepLink protocol, ever expanding ecosystem. So this is currently some of their tools and that you can use or they have. So you have remote tools, cloud gaming platform, you have cloud internet cafes, cloud XR, and there's 20 other applications that they currently offer for their services. And this is ever expanding, which is a lot, right? Most crypto companies don't have something built yet, or they're trying to build something or trying to get there. These guys looks like they've been working really hard to get all that stuff done. First B2B product, DeepLink software, remote control, Cloud 3A, Cloud GameFi, Cloud Internet Cafe, and Cloud XR. DeepLink software is currently available for download via the DeepLink website, which I'm going to show you how to get to in just a second. And then this is kind of how their interface look currently. So DeepLink software in B2C, business to customer service, being offered user interface. So this is DeepLink, and then kind of what you're going to see, all the games here that you're going to be able to play just by streaming, which is really awesome. Top 4 brands on the market used by over 600 million people. And so you have TeamViewer, Sunflower, Parsec, and TwoDesk. And DeepLink, so these are subscription products that you can get through DeepLink. Just by going through DeepLink, you can qualify for all these. And so if you pay for one of these individually, it might be cheaper just to go through DeepLink for their discount, which is cool. DeepLink versus TeamViewer, right? So this is kind of more expensive for TeamViewer, right? In their basic version is $40, pro version is $150. And then you have DeepLink's basic version is free. Their pro version is $6 and their team version is $30. So that could be a huge savings for people all around the world. Introducing a solution for remote high-end gaming, free remote gaming software at DeepLink Battlefield 1. I don't play enough video games anymore. I wish I did. But which is also really important is how many daily active users and monthly active users does DeepLink currently have? And right now they have 600,000 monthly active users and 200,000 daily active users. So it's really important that they actually have people using their software right now. And it's not a small number, right? Hundreds of thousands of people is not a small number. This could obviously grow into the millions, and that's exactly what they're trying to do here. They're in 110 different countries and services provided, and 1.4 million total users currently. Cloud blockchain gaming solution. So it talks about application visualization, multi-platform, resource isolation, high quality streaming, and then it says easily play online with a click of a button. So really cool. And then web-based cloud blockchain game platforms. You can play in all of these different areas. And I'm so out of gaming, I don't know any of these Hycon solutions. So it just took 2K 240 frames per second, fast local mouse, camera, mic, pass-through, high quality. This is cloud internet cafe solutions. So they're going into internet cafes and having all of their systems or using their systems, which is cool. These are getting bigger and bigger every day, with Korea's 3 largest internet cafe chains establish strategic partnerships. This is what they want to do. Inside of the city of Seoul, 20 internet cafes and about 2,000 machines, and cooperate with more than 10 chain based in 2025. The goal is to build more than 500 internet cafes and more than 50,000 machines. This is what they're going to do with some of the money that they're raising. And then here's an example of one of the internet cafes that they're working with. And, you know, Apple Provision, you're going to have a lot of people that are going to want to play games through this and stream games. This is looking like they're going to want to offer solutions for this, which is actually really cool, AR and VR. And here's kind of what they're talking about with their business model and outlook. So handling fee model, 20 to 30% of handling fees. And then they had their licensing fee of $6 every month. Okay. And so potential market expansion into internet cafes and esports hotels, which is really cool. And it talks a little bit about that right there. And, you know, 200 number of apps, 100 number of countries, 100 million number of wallets, 200 million total users over the next 3 years. This is what they want to grow into. And here's a look at their tokenomics, right? A scenario flow diagram, kind of everything that they're trying to do. DEXs, they have some centralized exchanges lined up. Of course, DEXs lined up for launch of the token, and, you know, different use cases. They have NFT, rent, cloud, GPU computer, purchase of cloud gaming time, and then of course, you know, 5 to 10% of pre-sale and public sale fundraising added to DEX liquidity, and I think that's locked for 3 years, which is pretty cool. And then they're going to use that money after that 3 years to build out. And here is basically the economic model. So if you're trying to find DeepLink, you just need to go to Google, Firefox, whatever, and just look up DeepLink. Once you do that, it'll be your first deeplink.cloud first website here. And this is actually what their website looks like. They have a picture of the streaming game here. All of the stuff that I kind of went over. DeepLink's protocol provides ultra low latency technical services for cloud games. All of this stuff we went over in the pitch deck, which is really cool. It's always really cool to see the website, but the pitch deck has all the juicy details, and that's really what I wanted to show you. Roadmap. So kind of they've been working on this since 2020. And they have expansion out to 2026. And here's their team here. Here's Summer, great to see her. And this is all of the people that are supporting the project right now. You can highlight them. It'll tell you a little bit about them on the website if you want to do that. And then here's the early stage investors. If you know any of these companies, amazing. And then here's all of their community events to show you they're really out here working really hard to expand it. So what is happening right now? I'm going to get this video up by tomorrow. You'll have 2 days. If you want to participate in this, you will need to KYC and connect your wallet. If you go down here to deepcloud.com/public sale /, you will see that stage 4 is currently available for sale. You need to participate in the KYC for service certificate, and then you can purchase your DLC tokens. You do get a 5% boost if you participate, and you can see that the token price is actually the same from people that have bought in previous stages, but your boost is not the same. So, you know, instead of, you know, if you found this maybe 3 months ago, you had a 20% boost, you get a 5% boost, but it's still the same price, which is good. They will just have a little bit more tokens for their dollar if you got in beforehand. So I'll leave all of the links down here in the description. If you want to take a look at the sale, if you want to take a look at the white paper or anything like that, it'll be down here. And this is their global user distribution map, total number of DeepLink users, which is 1,041,419,839. And this is where they're located around the world. So really, really cool. A lot of information here, guys, to take a look at. I hope you enjoyed my deep dive into DeepLink. And if this is a project that you'd like to participate in, go ahead and follow all of their socials and participate on the website. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Aloha.